is wealth is an adage that everyone swears by. Now, there are many superfoods that people incorporate into their diet and reap their benefits. Celery is one of them. Celery is a highly nutritious food and is often used in salads. Now, many people like to drink celery juice to maintain their weight and live a healthy life. Now, celery juice is also loaded with dietary fiber, vitamins, folate, antioxidants, and potassium, and also holds great nutritional value. In fact, the traditional healers have used celery juice to cleanse and detoxify their body. Now, in this video, we'll talk about 5 health benefits of celery. Now, celery leaves are loaded with flavonoids that help protect your heart against diseases. Now, celery leaves and seeds contain compounds such as saponin, caffeic acid, tannin, and ferric acid, all of which act as a strong antioxidant and minimize the risk of cancer. Drinking celery juice on a daily basis will make you stay hydrated, and staying hydrated helps to maintain body temperature and manage blood pressure levels. Celery juice is best for the skin. It keeps the skin healthy, wrinkle-free, and glowing. Now let us come to the main point. According to a study conducted, probiotic fermented celery juice is good for the gut, but also celery juice contains fermentable starches which may cause bloating. So people with irritable bowel syndrome should steer clear of celery juice if they experience any digestive problem after drinking it. Now don't forget to try celery juice at home for all your health problems, and also for more health updates, do log into our website, which is known as TheHealthSite.com.